Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve this question, that is sum of this series. You can for sure you can find this question on Geeks for Geeks website. You can just go and in the practice section you will find this question. So I hope all of you guys are doing fine. So without a further delay, we will discuss first what is the question, what does it saying, and then we will see what should be our approach, and after that we will see the code. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button guys, and do share this video and all the other previous videos that I have made till now. Do share it guys, and without a further delay, let's start. So here the question is actually, it took me almost three attempts. No, it took me actually three attempts to solve this question. Actually, this question is not that much tough, but it was like I was doing some mistakes. That's why. So finally, I submitted this, but it took me almost attempts. So here you can see the accuracy rate is only 23.81. It means that more than 78% students are doing this question wrong. So let's see why. What is the trick behind this? So here we will see the question now. The question is saying that we have to write a program. We have to write a code to find the sum of the given series, that is starting from 1 and 1 to the n term. So you have to write like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, so on, okay, till the nth term. So we have to write a program. So I hope you understand what is the question saying. We have to write a program to find the sum of numbers starting from 1 to nth, right? So here let's see the example. Okay, now the input is 1, the output is 1. So here for n, value of n is 1, the sum will be 1. Okay, so now if my value of n is 1, only 1, so obviously my sum will be 1, right? Which digit should I add? Nothing, only 1 is there, so answer will be 1. But here, see here, the value of n is 5, so there is 5 digit, so we will add it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now my output will be 15. So I hope you understood this much, both of these examples. So before solving this question, we will see some constraint is there. Here our time complexity should be O of 1, and my space complexity is also should be order of 1. And the constraint are my n should be greater than equal to 1, and if the n is less than 1, it is a constraint that n should be greater than equal to 1, and it should be less than 10 to the power 5. It means it is a long data type, because 10 to the power 5, so you can count how many zeros are there. So let's see. Here I'm going to solve this question in C++ because I already made a bunch of video in Java language. So I will be like lots of people tell me to solve the questions of Geek for Geeks in Python and C++ also. So I will try to make some question in C++ and Python. So if you can change the language here, if you want, you can change from here. So now, first what we are going to do is, our approach should be, if we we will first write, let me complete this, then I'm gonna explain you. If my n modulo, see here n is given, right? N is already given, and here it is asking me to return a function. Return here the function should return the sum of 1 to from 1 to n. So here if I do like this, n modulo 2 should be equal to 0, right? And now what we are going to do is, inside this if block, I will write a formula. First, see, the data type is here a long data type, and the data type of n is integer, so we will be converting it into, so n should be any number na, n should be like, if in question they give me the value of n is like 15,000, so what should I do? I will start adding till n from 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till 15,000. So the digit, the output that we get, finally the output that we get, it will be a huge, it won't accommodate in integer data type. So I should have converted into long data type, right? Here, see, long data type is there. So what we are going to do is, first we will be here converting into, there is a formula. So here, if this condition satisfy, if n modulo 2 is equal to give me 0, then I will return, the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, right? That is the formula. So we will be writing that formula, but if I complete that formula, then I change it into long data type, so it will be too late. So I already, the compiler will compile, calculate, and then it will be too late. So first let me change it into long data type, then we will be see our output. So here n by 2 into, here how to change it into a long data type, so I will multiply it with this 1ll, so it will change it into long data type. Now I am going to write, complete the formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is my formula. So here you can understand, yeah, I hope you understand this much. So now the else part, similar thing, if this condition does not fulfill, what will happen, the what will happen, like return here same formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. Here just look at here closely. So here I am going to write the formula n plus 1 by 2, and I will multiply it, I mean I'm gonna change it to long data type, then I will multiply it with n. So my code is complete. So I hope you understand this much, this code. Actually this solution is not that much tricky, but this is the tricky part. See, if you give, if you change it to long data type at last here, so it will give you an error na, it won't give you any compilation error, but it will, the test cases will get failed, because first you calculating it, you will get the result, then you change that result in long data type. So how the first you, when you get the result, you will store it somewhere, but you are going to store it into integer data type, so it will, and the value is too long, so it will give you error, right? So first let's change it, then we will calculate completely, then it won't give me an error, because we already change it into long data type, then we complete the calculation part. So let's click here, compile and run. Let's hope there is no compilation error in this code. It will take some time. Hmm, let's see guys. Okay, compilation completed. So now I'm going to submit it by clicking over here, submit button. Let's see how many test cases is getting passed. Yeah, out of 1 lakh test cases, it is getting passed. So here the correct submission is 2 time, and this is my 5th attempt, because I took I took almost 3 attempt, and I, whatever I was writing, I was doing a mistake, so I rectified it. So at 4th attempt I solve this question, and this is my 5th attempt. So error happens guys, we everyone do mistakes, like I also solve these type of questions. I also start this series to solving geeks for geeks questions so that I can brush up my coding skills. If I don't know anything, I am talking about myself. If I don't know anything, I will learn it from anywhere. Like, I will ask someone, I will chat GPT it, I will Google Bard it, I will see the YouTube videos. From whatever it take, whatever I can do, I will learn. If something bothers me, if something that I should know but I did not know, so I will I always try to learn that thing. So you guys should also do, be it this video, be it another person's video, doesn't matter. Just start learning and keep maintain consistency in this. So I hope you like this video, and if you want some changes, I will for sure. So comment section is open for you guys. So whatever you want to make changes in this channel, whatever you want, you just tell me. I will definitely. So let's meet in another video. Bye bye and happy learning, guys.